If you need to contact Zapier support, the quickest way is to use Zapier's built-in contact and chat options from the website. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to reach Zapier support or sales so you can get help with your account, billing, setup questions, or any issue you're running into. If this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier website, look for the Contact Sales option. This is the entry point Zapier provides for getting assistance, especially if you need help with plans, features, or account-related questions. Go ahead and click Contact Sales. After that, you'll be taken to the support and contact page. From here, look for the chat option that appears on the lower right side of the page. You should see a button or prompt that says Chat with Sales. Click that to open the chat window. This is where you can type your question and start a conversation directly. If you're asking about support, you can explain your issue clearly in the chat and provide any details that help the team understand what you need. For example, you can mention what part of Zapier you're using, what error you're seeing, or what you've already tried. The more specific you are, the easier it is for them to help you faster. If your question is about pricing, plans, or upgrading, the sales chat is especially useful. If it's a technical issue, the chat can still point you in the right direction or connect you with the right resource. So the process is really straightforward. Go to Zapier, click Contact Sales, then choose Chat with Sales and send your message. That's the fastest way to contact Zapier through their website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.